Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I am dealing with thermodynamics, and in this topic this is the lecture number 3. In this lecture I will explain you different types of systems. Okay, so let us take the first system. It is called open system. System is a part of universe which is covered with a boundary, and it is that portion is always under observation. Open system. What is open system? Because of thermodynamics, which we are dealing with matter and energy, so the system is also connected with these two parameters. So a system is said to be open if it can exchange both energy and matter with its surrounding. Okay, example. Here we take example of this. We take one beaker, sorry, in this beaker let us take water. This is water. Now this beaker is open beaker, so can we add water? Yes, it is possible. Can we remove water? Yes, you can remove water. That means exchange of matter with system and surrounding is possible. Now next thing, can we boil this water? Yes, it is possible to boil the water. Can we freeze water? Cooling water? Yes, it is possible. We can cool water if you keep it in a freezer. So that means exchange of energy is possible. Okay, that means this is the best example of open system where we can remove water, we can add water, we can heat water, we can cool water. So exchange of energy as well as matter is possible. Second example is a living being. Any living being is also an example of open system. Why? Because any living being is able to exchange both energy as well as matter. Being living being, you must have experienced this, that sometimes our elders always tell us that don't waste time, don't waste energy. That means we are wasting energy by some means. Okay. And sometimes we have to, every day we have to take meal. So we are taking meal and it is coming out also. So these are the things that any living being is an example of open system. Okay. Now we will go with the next system, and that is called closed system. Closed system, in which a system which permits the passage of energy but not matter across the boundary is called closed system. Okay. And here the example is a box. We take any box, and here in this box we will keep water, and there may be vapor also over here. Now, practically it is not possible to remove water. We can't remove water because it is closed. We can't add water. But yes, if you heat this, you can boil water. Or cooling water is also possible. So this is an example of closed system, okay, where exchange of energy is possible, but exchange of matter is not possible. Next system is an isolated system. Well, a system which can exchange neither energy nor matter with its surrounding is called an isolated system. Here, the practical example is not possible. Why? Because practically 100% isolated system is difficult to make, but we can have one very close to isolated system is a thermos. Okay. In this thermos, let us keep water. There will be vapor also, and practically we can't add water, we can't remove water. Okay, so addition or removal of water is not possible. Practically we can't boil water when it is in a thermos. This is practically not possible, so no cooling or boiling of water. So up to certain extent, means up to certain time, it is an isolated system, that hot things remain hot and cold things remain cold inside the thermos up to certain time, and that is why it is not complete isolated system. One more example of isolated system is universe. So universe is a complete isolated system. Why? Because nothing can be removed from universe, nothing can be added to the universe. So it is complete isolated system, because outside universe is nothing. So this way we can accept this as a isolated system. Now next one is homogeneous system. Homogeneous system. Well, here we have to see that different components but having the same phase. That is called homogeneous system. The best example is coffee. Coffee is a mixture of milk, sugar, water, and coffee itself, beans. But it appears as one single unit, and that is why single phase thing, that is why it is called homogeneous system. Next is heterogeneous system. In heterogeneous system, one component in different phase, and the best example is H2O. One component, it appears as water, liquid, and it also appears as ice. So ice in a water is one component but different, one component but different phase, different physical state. So this is the way we can explain it. That's it in this lecture. Thank you so much.